the way I like to explain it is you don't increase your resistance, not until, for instance, you're going to do for basic exercise, we're going to do a chest press. So I'm going to do a chest press for 8 to 12 reps, flat dumbbell, where the case may be. So week one, say I do that once a week or even twice a week. I'll say once a week for the sake of recovery. So if I do a chest press, and I do it for 8 to 12 reps, say I do it for 12 reps. I did 12 my first week. The second week when I come back, then I do a chest press. If my form is still as good as the first time I got 12, or even better, right? It's not as hard. Then I would consider going up, and I'd say for upper body, probably no more than 2 to 5 pounds increase. But now, if I cannot get to 12 reps doing the same exercise in the same order that I did before, I will wait another week until that becomes easier. So that's the 2 for 2 rule. So 2 weeks, same exercise, same order. If I can increase that or basically do better than the week before, then I would consider increasing by 2 to 5 pounds for upper body. And I say 2 to 5 pounds because the upper body is not as strong generally as your legs. For the legs, I like to say 10 to 15 pounds increase once I'm able to do that with ease. If I cannot, I'll delay and wait till my body adjusts the adaptation to that exercise. Then I will increase the amount of weight for the exercise, and more than likely, when I increase that weight, my reps may go down, but I'm looking for more about maintaining form throughout the entire exercise, throughout the whole 8 to 12 reps. So say I increase my weight and my reps drop down to 8 instead of 12. Totally cool with that, right? And then as I get better, I will slowly increase, and I'll probably get to 12 again, just like I did with the other weight. But when I'm able to do that twice, 2 for 2, and it's 2 weeks in a row, then I would consider increasing that weight. So that's how the 2 for 2 rule works. Try it out. It's more about being safe than ego, right? I know some people say, well, I maxed out, did this and another, but was the form good? Are you put yourself in a position to hurt yourself? Or are you protecting your joints and ligaments while you're doing it? That's the most important. These numbers are just gauges for me, right? If I can do it correctly, and I did the best and absolute best I could, and I drained out every rep, then I'm okay with that. And I'll slowly increase as time goes on. I'm okay with that too. You kind of have to enjoy the ride. So that's the 2 for 2 rule. Try it out. Leave a comment if you like, and say you like it, and see if it's beneficial for you. Dietrich, Get Fit Methods.